Okay guys, I'm back again. I'm in the next video. Now what we're going to do here in this video is I told you I'm going to personalize the experience of the user. So what I'm going to do is I have the phone name up here. I'm going to move it up a little bit to the top. Actually, it's okay over here. I don't need the email. And I'm going to say, hi, full name. So now when I run this again, I'm going to have that personal experience of hi, so-and-so, right? But maybe you want it to look a little better than that. Maybe you want it to be in some corner. Sometimes that's what they do. But make it really long. And to make sure it's in a corner, we're going to just change the alignment to left. And I want it to be bold. Or maybe normal. So now when I run it, you'll see I just got that up there at the top left. That's cool. You could do that. But what else you could do? You can go into the home app bar, go to title, and what we're going to do, you could either choose a logo. Actually, that's one thing I didn't show you. You can actually put a logo in your title bar. So you can go here, you can say upload. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to upload a logo. Which one do I want to use? This one's nice. I'll use this one. And you'll see that I got a logo in there, and I can resize this logo to fit in there. Now, just let you know that you can resize your header. You don't need to stay with the default header, but you can't do it with a header. You have to create your own header, and I'll show you how to do that later. But you see how I have this icon in the middle here. So I can go into this title again, and I can say it's on the left, which is not really great in this particular scenario, but it could be in some cases. And you can actually add other actions on the right here. Like if you wanted to say, I want to like this page, you could have a little heart there, or you could actually probably have a like. Don't know what it would be. It would be a check. Add a check box there for a like if you wanted to make a like action. We're not going to do that right now. I just want to show you could do that. Okay, so now we have a little logo there, which I think is ugly. So I'm going to take out the logo. But what I do want to do with the app bar is, and by the way, you can make a background image. Look at that. So it uses like a background image as well. So you could upload a background image. Like if you create your own gradient or you want to create something, you could add an image. And I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to say a solid color, make it blue, or I can make it translucent, which means I just show my logo. So if you have a big nice logo, it's good, but we have text up there too. So I'm going to go back to solid color. I'm not going to use a logo, but I'm going to use text. And I told you I'm going to personalize this. So I could just do something like this. I could say magic text. So the user that's logged in, I'm going to say the guy's phone name, and I'm going to say apostrophe S home. So now when I run this, you can see that it's not going to show over a certain amount of space unless you have your own custom header, which I can show you how to do. I'll probably show you to do that now so that you can get used to this, and plus make this thing look better. So I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to say, okay, this header is cool. I'm going to move it down here. But I'm going to create my own. How am I going to do that? All I got to do is go to simple. I'm going to use a rectangle, and I'm going to pull it, and I can even make it the same as this. Like, see, I can look at this, and I can see, okay, what is the size of this guy? And click on this, and I can make it the same size as this guy. I can make it exactly identical. And I have a tool on my computer where I can click on a little thing here, and I can click on this, and I can go over here, and I can click on background, and I can just paste it in there, and I have the same color background. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.